Hello, everybody. This is John. I just got a couple new packages in, so I want to show you some of the more interesting pieces that I got, and then I want to talk to you about the case against silver, and I guess in general the case against precious metals. And so we'll talk about that in a few minutes. But I got in the 1 ounce 5/9 pure Canadian Howling Wolf, and it is a gorgeous coin. I actually first heard about this on one of Silverfish's videos, and I went and looked into it and felt like I just wanted to get it. And it's a very nice coin. I also have got some Silver Eagles, as I'm kind of a sucker for those whenever they have a good price on them. And then my Falcons came in, my Peregrine Falcons from Canada. They're the new ones that just came out, and hopefully you can see it pretty well right there. Nice luster on the coin, good detail. And then this next one I'm about to show you, I actually got off eBay, and this comes from Equatorial Guinea. It's a 1970 silver coin. It's about 1.2 ounces, and it basically shows all the countries that won the World Cup in soccer and has scenes from each country. And I think it's just a really interesting coin. Like I said, it's a little over an ounce, and it's got nice detail. It's in very nice condition. I think there were only about 4,200 of these minted, and so it does have a little bit of rarity to it. 4,200 is not a lot if you really think about it in terms of, that's a small town. Everybody can have one of these, but nobody in the world outside of that can. I mean, so if you kind of put it in that perspective, you see that it is a low mintage coin. Paid about $70 when it was all said and done after you included the shipping, but like I said, it's a nice coin in great condition with good details. And then actually, I'm going to show you this set. I got a platinum set. These are all platinum. This comes from the Royal Canadian Mint. There were 1,500 of these minted, and it's a 4 coin set. It's Peregrine Falcon back then, and this is a 1 ounce coin. I'll try to show you some of the detail on that. It's got a $300 face value, but of course, 1 ounce of platinum right now is probably, I think it's around 1,400 some plus, so you'd be foolish to use it as a $300 bill. But anyway, that's a 1 ounce coin. That is the half ounce. That's the quarter ounce. And there is the 10th ounce. So I think it's about 1.9 ounces of platinum, but it's a beautiful set. It's fairly rare, and platinum itself is pretty rare. So I really enjoy the detail on this set. I did say that I was going to talk about the case against precious metals because if you watch my videos, you already know my feeling about precious metals. I think they're going higher in the future, but I think it's always smart to at least look at what can go wrong with your thesis. And so, if you guys remember a movie came out about, I don't know, 10 years ago, maybe, called The Negotiator with Samuel L. Jackson and Kevin Spacey. When they first, Kevin Spacey plays a negotiator, and he first starts talking to Samuel L. Jackson. One of the things he says to Samuel L. Jackson is, I didn't say I read just one book. I try to read all books on a subject. Try to get all the facts and then decide for myself what really happened. And that's what I'm trying to do here is I'm just trying to get the other side of the picture on what could go wrong with the thesis here. It's kind of said, there was a quote somebody said, I don't remember who, but it says most people don't read for information, they read for affirmation, so they can kind of confirm what they believe already. I try not to do that, even though I know I'm guilty of it a lot of times. I try to read what can go wrong with my thesis and see if I can still justify my thesis. And so here's some things that could go wrong against the bullish case for silver and for precious metals in general. So I just kind of itemized some things. Number one, maybe there's a huge, easily mineable supply out there that we haven't discovered yet that would add tremendous supply. So that's always a possibility. Maybe mining costs have been overstated and silver can be profitably mined below $10 an ounce. Third one, maybe deflation oversweeps the world and the Fed and the international central banks either allow this to happen or they become powerless to stop the deflation. So that's something that could happen. Number four, people could just stop demanding silver because they don't see utility with it. Maybe they just get frustrated by the fact that it stays flat for so long and they just think money's better off being put in interest-bearing assets. or they become totally enamored with fiat currency and believe that's the way to go. Number five, maybe manufacturers that utilize silver find a more economical material than silver to use in their products and move away from silver, so taking away some of the demand. And six, and I'd say this is one that's could definitely happen, would be maybe governments could start assessing huge taxes on the buying and selling of precious metals. And so those are just some things that are on the opposite side of my belief, things that could happen that would lower the price of silver. And so just you should be aware of them because, again, the future is unknowable. So you just have to, you have to just kind of make your assumptions on what you think is going to happen and with the risk that you're willing to take and kind of go from there. No certainty in life. You just do the best you can with the information available. And so anyway, hope you enjoy the more interesting pieces of the unboxing. Hope you guys all have a great day. You guys be good to each other, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye.